Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be tackling my master bedroom and getting all of those jobs done. So if you want to clean with me and clean my master bedroom, just keep watching.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So the first job was to change the bed linen, and this linen that I have is actually new. I bought it from H&M. We are going to be redecorating our master bedroom, so I've gone with sort of neutral and earthy tones, and I really love it. I think it looks really lovely. If you watch till the end, I do give you a bit of a tour and you can see the setup of the bed. So yeah, that's what I always start with. Lovely fresh bedding to get back into. It's the best feeling ever. And then you'll see me going around and dusting and taking out all the things that don't belong in my bedroom.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we need.
So here you see me just dusting our shutters. These get so dusty, so I have to do these at least a few times a week, but they don't take too long at all, so, and I absolutely love them, so I don't mind at all. And then you see me dusting off the bedside tables and my dressing table area. here I am just taking everything out of my bedroom that doesn't belong in there. With the kids being home all day long, I found slime, I found drinks, cartons, so they don't have TVs in their bedroom. So Darcy especially will watch TV in our bed and just forget to take her toys back to her bedroom. So I'm just clearing out everything that doesn't belong before I can actually tackle the dusting. And then once the dusting is done, I just go around to all of the surfaces, so our wardrobe doors, the drawer fronts, bedside table fronts, and I just wipe everything down really quickly with some Saflora, which is an antibacterial. It smells lovely and it just makes sure everything's nice and clean and there aren't any germs left. And then I actually picked up this new fabric freshener. It's a Febreze one. I got it from Home Bargains and it's sparkling blossom scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I was just spraying the scatter cushions and the headboard of the bed. I didn't actually put the scatter cushions in the wash this time. I do them sort of once a month. So I was just spraying them just to take away any odours and make them smell really nice and fresh. And there we have it, the master bedroom is all done. It wasn't a huge clean today. As I said in my description, my cleaning has changed slightly with the kids being home. I'm doing little and often, so this was just a little clean dust round hoover and bed linen change. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everybody.